These naturally green cupcakes get their vibrant color from fresh spinach, but their flavor is soft, sweet, and delicately scented with vanilla and lemon zest. Place the spinach in boiling water for a short time, just until wilted. Drain it well and allow it to cool completely. Gently squeeze out any excess water before using. Make the vanilla white chocolate filling. Add the milk, eggs, cornstarch, sugar and vanilla to a saucepan. Whisk until smooth. Then, place the saucepan over medium heat. Cook while stirring continuously until the mixture becomes thick and creamy. Remove it from the heat, then add the white chocolate and butter. Stir until both have completely melted and the cream is smooth. Prepare the cupcake batter. Add the drained spinach, milk and vegetable oil to a blender or food processor. Blend until the mixture becomes completely smooth. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs with the sugar and vanilla until the sugar begins to dissolve and the mixture becomes lighter. Add the lemon zest and the blended spinach mixture. Then mix until evenly combined. Gradually add the flour, mixing between each addition. Add the baking powder and stir just until the batter is smooth. Divide the mixture evenly between lined muffin cups. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius / 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cupcakes to cool completely. Make the mascarpone cream. Add the cold heavy cream, mascarpone and sweetened condensed milk to a bowl. Whip until the cream becomes thick, smooth and fluffy. Avoid overmixing. Fill and decorate. Cut a small opening in the center of each cooled cupcake. Fill the centers with the chilled vanilla white chocolate cream. Pipe the mascarpone cream on top, then decorate with reserved cupcake crumbs and fresh fruit of your choice. The result is a soft and colorful cupcake with a creamy center, a fresh lemon vanilla aroma, and a light mascarpone topping. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video and follow Shug Vibes for more easy and delicious desserts.